Does the Olaplex line really help your hair grow, prevent breakage, all the things that it claims to do? Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Over here I talk all things beauty, self-care, confidence. So if you are interested in that, definitely subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more hair care tips and product reviews. Today we are talking about 3 products from Olaplex that have honestly changed my hair game, y'all. We are talking about Olaplex number 4, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, Olaplex number 5, the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, and Olaplex number 7, which is the bonding oil. Now these products are not just hype, okay? These products have actually helped my hair to grow longer and stronger. You can go back to my previous videos. I was struggling a couple of years ago with my hair, with heat damage, with breakage, and I lied to y'all not. I started going to YouTube, searching, seeing what people were using for breakage, because that's what I had. I discovered, like, right in the top of my hair, I discovered severe heat damage, and I didn't even realize it until it was too late, but I was overly flat ironing my hair, and Olaplex came to the rescue. I'm not even gonna lie. It's expensive, it's pricey, but it's worth it. Now I want to share why it helped me, what's inside, and the results I've seen. Now this video is not sponsored. I have gone out and bought these products myself. I did start out with just the shampoo and conditioner. This stuff is not cheap. It's not cheap. Like my 3rd refill, I've only gotten the small bottles. I'm hesitant on restocking with the larger bottles only because, like I said, they're a little expensive and your girl's on a budget. I have the number 7. Can we get it in a minute? Yes. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, of course, I have the foundational things, right? We need a good shampoo and conditioner. I've done a video before. Some of you may have seen it on the BioSilk line because I have used that. That was recommended to me by a person I know personally who her hair is long and beautiful and all the things. So I use that, but I alternate, and I think it's important to alternate in your hair care journey because it's worked for me, honestly. I can't really explain the science, but I've alternated between BioSilk and Olaplex, and there's some other products I use in between, especially when I just ain't got it this month or to restock on my expensive products. So I do have some low budget items that I'll throw in sometime in my wash day routine. First, let's talk about the shampoo. Now, this shampoo is sulfate free and it's very gentle, which is what you need if you had damaged hair. Okay, my hair was so fragile and I didn't even realize, like, when I would brush my hair, it was just so much shedding, and I was just like, okay, not shedding is natural, but it was so much, it was getting excessive. This is really gentle to help with your, your weak hair. But what's special about this is, real quick, come here, come closer. If you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is click the little subscribe button at the bottom of the video and just click the like button, it's a little thumbs up, just to show that you're interested in this video. And you can tell YouTube that it's actually a good video. It could help somebody, and it pushes me in the algorithm so more people can see this video and more women can get healthy hair tips and have their hair grow. So yeah, please do that. It costs you nothing. It takes like literally a second to do. I don't think some people realize how important that is to content creator journeys, but please do that for me. I'll give you a second and we'll get back to the video. The patented bond building technology. It uses an ingredient called bisaminopropyl diglutamatic. I can't even pronounce it, but I'll put it on the screen because I know it's a mouthful for me. I can't even say it. But basically, it works on a molecular level to repair broken bonds inside the hair strand. Now, this is huge because breakage is one of the biggest reasons why your hair just seems to not grow. It also has ingredients like sunflower seed oil and vitamin E, which helps to add moisture and protect against free radicals. And after using it consistently, I felt that my hair felt clean and not stripped. I hate when your hair is like washed with a shampoo and it just feels stripped and brittle and like no moisture to it at all after. No oil, it just feels really stripped, like that sound that, yeah, too clean, if you will, like stripped. And it was way less fragile. Now, of course, my favorite part of wash day is conditioner. I usually get the duo when I'm washing my hair and the shampoo and conditioner. I usually get the duo of the line, the shampoo and conditioner. Sometimes I'll have my go-to shampoo, my go-to conditioner, and I'll mismatch it on a wash day. But conditioners are always empty. I'll have way more shampoo than conditioner because I have a lot of hair. It's really thick and I really need the conditioner to really saturate so that I can really detangle my hair and it can just get in there good. Now, the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. When I say this is a game changer, y'all, thank you to all my YouTube girlies who have done videos on Olaplex and kind of just helped me make the buying decision, because it has been a game changer, not gonna lie. Now, it has the same bond building ingredient as the shampoo, so it continues to repair and strengthen your hair while you condition it. Plus, it is loaded with glycerin for hydration, avocado oil for moisture, and panthenol, which improves elasticity. Now, when I use this, y'all, my hair feels buttery soft. It's very easy to detangle, and I have noticed less shedding in the shower. Now, this is important and this is key, because when your hair is shedding excessively, that means most likely it's breaking a lot and it's not going to grow. Over time, my hair has stayed so moisturized, which means fewer split ends and more length retention, which is what we're going for. All right, now the last thing I want to talk about in this video is going to be this little bottle here, which is expensive too, okay? If you could find Olaplex line at like a TJ Maxx or Marshall, well, yeah, TJ Maxx or Marshall, sometimes they will carry it, but it's like slim to none sometimes. And also sometimes when you get your products from those stores, it's like older, it's been passed down from store to store. But I got these from Ulta. Usually if you go to Ulta, you're going to get fresh products, so that's the plus side to it. But yeah, this little bottle here, this bonding oil, I'll link everything in the description of this video so you can know, you can go straight to the product if you want to purchase it. But this is a little miracle worker, y'all, okay? Don't let the size fool you, because although it's small and it's a little pricey, a little bit does go a long way. Now, this has the bond building ingredient too, plus it has grapeseed oil, tea tree oil, it has grapeseed oil, green tea oil, and fermented green tea seed oil, which are all packed with antioxidants. This stuff adds shine, reduces frizz, and what I really love about this, it protects against heat up to 450 degrees. Now, this is a game changer because I do like to wear my hair straight. Don't get me wrong, I love my curls and I've been doing a great job of trying to keep my curl pattern intact, reduce heat damage, cut out the heat damage, which has been going great, but I love my straight look. And I still use a heat protectant, but this thing here protects very well against heat. So when I straighten my hair, blow dry my hair, or even diffuse my curls, I don't have to worry as much about heat damage. This oil is super lightweight, so it doesn't weigh your hair down or make it feel greasy when you're trying to get like a flowy blowout. Now, my hair is not fresh right now. It's not fresh right now. It's about a week old. It's probably, it's holding on. When you straighten your hair after applying this, it feels flowy. It'll blow in the wind. It won't be stiff. Now, that's it. That's all I want to say about the products, specifically going into the depth of them. But my personal results, my hair has felt so much stronger since using these. I've been using this for maybe over a year now. I don't use it every single wash day. I alternate between this, BioSilk, and then sometimes Shea Moisture or Mayo. I haven't used Mayo much lately, but alternate in between, because like I said, this stuff is not the cheapest, right? So, and I'm a single mom. I don't have the budget to buy this all the time, but I used it consistently for about a month or two, and then I started to alternate so I can save products and buy it less. But it has worked. It has made my hair stronger. It has reduced a lot of the breakage, my dryness. I mean, literally, if y'all go back, I'll link the video where I showed when I first found out about my heat damage. All right here, for some reason, at the very top of my head, my hair was very short. It was like breaking, my length was not retaining. These 3 products, y'all, I definitely recommend if you are going through a situation where you have heat damage from color treatments, any type of damage where your hair is weak and brittle or dry. I definitely recommend you starting this out. Maybe just buy it once, use it consistently, and I'm sure you'll see some improvements. But I do think if you're going to continue to color treat your hair, fry your hair with the flat iron, or just flat ironing in general, like make sure you're using safe heat settings. Make sure you're not overly flat ironing your hair like I used to do. You want to do those things too, so that you're not trying to rebuild it and then frying it again, and trying to rebuild it and then frying it again. Healthy hair care is so important to me. It is close to my heart. I've always had pretty good, healthy hair. However, you have to pay attention to how you're treating your hair. I used to be so rough with it. I used to overly flat iron it. And now that I'm in a good space, we are being cautious. We are using select products. I am not putting everything in my hair. I'm not using everybody's hair utensils, hair tools. You have to be conscious of how these tools are made, what materials they're made with. I learned so much on this journey. But yeah, Olaplex is definitely a go-to for me for stronger, longer hair and just trying to get to a place where we can retain length. And I want to know in the comments, have y'all used Olaplex before? Is it too pricey? Did it not work? Let me know, because a lot of us are, especially if you found this video, 9 times out of 10, you are trying to figure out, how can I grow my hair? How can I get it longer? Even if it's not heat damaged, you can grow length, okay? Take care of your hair, take care of your body. Make sure you're looking at my other videos on my channel, because I have all kinds of videos on self-care, health, wellness, all the things to live a more beautiful life, because everything contributes. If you're stressed out, your hair can fall out or break off, like all of the things. So we're on this journey to a healthy lifestyle, period. And healthy hair is included, y'all. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at iNicole. On TikTok, it's iNicole. It's _ iNicole. But yeah, find me, connect with me. Look, I am trying to live a soft girl life forever and ever. And I'm trying to just live happier, healthier, and a more beautiful life. So thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in my next video.